In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tally forms on the Canva website. This is an incredibly useful skill to have if you're looking to create engaging and interactive content within your Canva designs. Let's begin this step-by-step guide that will walk you through the process seamlessly. First, we'll need to navigate to the Tally website, specifically their free online form builder. This is where all the magic begins. So open up your internet browser and type in Tally's URL to access their tools and features. Once you're on the Tally homepage, the next step is to log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to create one to gain access to all the tools available on the platform. After clicking on the Login button, you will be prompted with several sign-in options. Choose to continue with Google for a quick sign-in process. This method allows you to access your account with just a few clicks, leveraging your existing Google account credentials. You'll be directed to select your Google account, so make sure you pick the one you want to associate with your tally forms. Once selected, simply click on Continue to proceed. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard where your existing forms are stored. Find the form you wish to use with Canva and click to open it. Once your form is open, you'll see an option to share it. Click on that option to proceed to the next step. Sharing in Tally involves selecting how you want to embed your form. Choose the embed option that suits your preference. With the embed option selected, you'll notice a button to get the code. Clicking on this button will generate a code that you can use within Canva. When you receive the code, look for the second link provided. It's this link that we'll be using shortly within Canva. Now let's switch gears to Canva. In your Canva dashboard, find the Apps tab in the left-hand menu. This is where you'll integrate external applications, including our tally form. In the search bar, type in Embed and press Enter. This will bring up the Embed feature, which is the key tool we'll use to place your tally form in your Canva projects. Click on the Embed option to proceed. Once the Embed app is open, you'll have the chance to paste the HTML link or code you copied from Tally earlier. In the space provided, paste this link and then click on the Add to Design button. This action will integrate your tally form directly into your Canva design space. And there you have it. Your tally form is now embedded within your Canva project, ready for use. This integration not only enhances your design, but also boosts user interaction, making your projects more engaging. Thank you for following along and happy designing.